If you are searching for your credentials, look for the email at dataonthespot.com. Be sure to look in your junk and spam folders. You should receive a credentials email similar to this. An important reminder that these credentials are unique and should be kept confidential. On the day of your local meeting, click on this link for your local meeting. To enter the meeting, enter the key and your first and last name. You can reference the key above. M for local member, C for candidate, S for staff, and O for observer. Enter in your key and your name. Then hit enter or click join meeting. You'll then be entered into the waiting room. If you would like to full screen the meeting, double-click on the video portion of the screen. You can then exit by double-clicking again. Click Join Audio to join the audio of the meeting, either by computer or by phone. You may want to join by phone if your computer's speaker or microphone is not working. Clicking on this arrow will reveal your audio settings. Also be sure that your browser is allowing your camera and microphone. Click to the left of the URL bar and click Allow for your camera and microphone. To participate in discussion, open the Participants tab. Then raise your hand by clicking Raise Hand. This will indicate you would like to speak in the meeting. You will then be prompted by the host to unmute your microphone. Click Unmute when you are ready to speak. When you are done speaking, click Mute. And be sure to lower your hand. When it's time to vote, click on Secure Voting or scroll down the page. Here you will enter in your voter ID and password. You can reference this from your credentials email. You may also copy and paste your ID and password here. Once you are logged in, click Next Vote to reveal any current ballot. Click Vote Now, make your selections, and click Continue. You'll then be prompted to confirm or change your answer. You can change your answer as many times, but once you confirm, that is final. Once you have confirmed, you should see a green success message. You can further verify your vote by going to the voting receipts section. This will show you your receipt code, how you voted, and the time of your vote. Simply click Next Vote to return to the home page. Scroll below the voting page to see the document section. Clicking on the links will open up the documents in a new tab. How to vote on an alternate device. Access the credentials email on your alternate device and make note of the key naming convention. Scrolling to the bottom of the email, you'll find your meeting ID. Please copy this meeting ID before clicking the Access the Zoom meeting link. Here, it will prompt you to enter in your meeting ID and your screen name. Again, make note of the key naming convention. Then click Join to join the meeting. Connect to the audio. If you'd like to participate in discussion, click on the More button and then click Raise Hand. This will indicate you'd like to speak in the meeting. When it's your turn to speak, you will receive a message on screen like this. You can then unmute. When it's time to vote, go back to your credentials email and click on the voting link. The voting page will then prompt you to enter in your ID and your password. Click Next Vote to reveal any current ballot and follow the steps as previously stated, making your selection, clicking Continue and Confirm. Return to the Zoom to hear the next question.